Introducing the all-new Flagship Grill Light. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. That's right, all Flagship grills are designed to create the full effect of an outdoor grill in your kitchen. They are specifically engineered to remove excess fat and moisture from the cooking surface, and the dry heat helps to lock in flavor with substantially less cholesterol. Specially shaped ridges evenly transfer heat to ensure that your favorite dishes look amazingly good. All your favorite frying pan recipes can be grilled to perfection on the Flagship grill, as tasty and much healthier. Like any pre-seasoned cast iron, Flagship grills are naturally non-stick. Even if you're not a professional chef, your guests will definitely think that you are.